Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you kids? Salar, Asher, Hashir, Maaz.
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah, fine.
Okay, so one by one, I will ask your introduction. So can you please do me a favor that one by one, you can let me know about what do you do and these days what you are studying and what's your plan. Okay, so we will start from the Salar. Yes, Salar, can you please introduce yourself?
My name is Mohammad Salar Faik, and I am a historian. And I am currently, I am teaching some subjects such as science. I'm starting to teach, and I have my channel where I, put all the voiceovers. I love sports, and I am doing so many physical activities. I also do, and I also do researches. Let me tell you a little bit about what I do. I like to play in sports and which type of researches I do in which style. So first of all, I will tell you about my researches. Researches, in my point of view, is a key role which will lead us towards different subjects. And when we research, our knowledge grows, and we understand more and more about the thing, about the topic we are researching on. Okay, and this is my style and point of view. And my sports, which I like to do, is to make mechanisms and machines which are related to the ancient era. So this is my short interview type introduction.
Okay, thank you so much, Salar. Actually, we would have our first class, first English spoken class today. That's why I want the introduction of all of you guys. So let's move on to the Usher. Usher, can you please unmute yourself and let me know about yourself?
Okay, my name is Muhammad Asher. I am 9 years old. I live in Karachi, Pakistan, in Khalid Asari. I like to play football and
And what do you do?
go.
How do you spend your spare time? What's your hobbies, Usher?
What is the meaning of hobbies? I don't know about.
I mean, what do you like the most to do in your free time?
Um, I am watching YouTube. I watch YouTube.
Okay. So what do you watch on YouTube?
Sultan Salahuddin Ayyubi
Okay, that's great. So we
and
will,
Mukhtar Nama in the night.
all right, all right. Later on, I'll definitely ask from you about these kind of stories or something like that. Let's move on to Moaz. Yes, Moaz, can you please unmute yourself and let me know about you?
Yes. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Maz. I like to play football, and I like to make crafts and um, maths, and I like to do maths, and I like to do calligraphy, and I like to watch number blog and always watch flags every
Okay.
day.
Okay. So Moaz, can you tell me, do you do the breakfast regularly?
Yes.
Okay, that's great. So
लेकिन क्या
Moaz, yes.
लेकिन क्या मतलब
I want to know that आप regularly breakfast करते हैं या छोड़ देते हैं कभी कभी? नाश्ता करते हैं नाश्ता? Yes, Moaz.
um, As my mom means कि आप जो है ना सुबह में वो नाश्ता करते हैं, एक तो
अच्छा।
सुबह का होता है, एक शाम दोपहर का होता है, एक रात का होता है। तो सुबह में हमारी मम्मा नाश्ता पकाती है ना, सो वो करते हैं हम।
मैं करता हूँ
ओके,
लेकिन
शौक से करते हैं?
कभी नहीं
शौक से
करता,
करते हैं या जबरदस्ती करते हैं?
लेकिन कभी कभी मैं नहीं करता।
Okay, but you have to do the breakfast regularly because if you will not have the breakfast, how would you get the energy? Okay, how would you do the hard work? So it would be better that you have to eat the
Yes,
breakfast
I
regularly.
eat,
Okay.
yes, I like to eat egg cheese sandwich in the breakfast.
Okay, that's really great. So it's really nice to hear from you, Moaz. Later on, we will discuss more about you and other things. Let's move on to Hashir. So, Hashir, can you tell me about yourself?
Okay. My name is Muhammad Hashir. I live in Karachi. I like to study biology and physics.
Okay.
I am.
Hashir, can you please little louder?
Can you speak?
Yes, your voice is not clear.
Yes, now my voice is clear.
Now, little bit, not very clear.
Uh, Now my voice is clear.
Yes.
My name is Muhammad Hashir. I live in Karachi. I like to study physics and biology. I like to cycling. My hobbies are sketching and drawing animals. And what should I tell you more?
Okay. So, Hashir, in physical sports, what do you like to play the most?
I like to cycling.
You like to play what?
I only
You
like
like to do the
I like
cycling.
yes.
Okay, that's great. And what else you want to do in your spare time?
I play chess and I sketch the animals.
Okay, that's really nice to hear from you, Hashir. So let's move on. A new child, I can see Abdur Rahman. Abdur Rahman, today is our first English spoken class and we are having introduction. So can you please unmute yourself and let me know about yourself? Yes, Abdur Rahman. Can you hear me?
अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुह।
वालेकुम अस्सलाम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुह। जी बेटा।
My name is Abdul Rahman. My mother name is Aisha Khalil. My father name is Amir Siddiqui. I I live in Choli. I live I live in India. I
Okay.
am I I am 9 years old.
All right. So what do you do? क्या करते हैं आप? Yes,
I am
Abdul.
reading
Okay, you do reading. And what do you study? Which subjects you are studying these days?
English and Hindi.
Okay, so you are studying Hindi. So does it difficult for you to learn or is it easy? Hindi.
English.
You like
Hin-
which language you like the most, English or Hindi?
English.
Okay. And how do you spend your spare time? What do you like to do in your free time?
मैं फ्री रहता हूँ.
Sorry, I couldn't hear. Can you repeat? क्या करते हैं आप अपने फ्री टाइम में?
I am free.
When you free, what do you do? आप जब फ्री होते हैं तो आप खेलते हैं या आप कोई स्टोरी पढ़ते हैं या कोई बुक पढ़ते हैं, क्या करते हैं?
खेलता हूँ.
खेलते हैं, क्या खेलते हैं?
कैरम.
Carom board, okay. Any physical game which you play, like football, cricket, badminton, or something else?
No.
No. Why? You don't like to play physically? Okay, that's great, Abdurrahman. It's really nice to hear from you. We will continue with you, inshallah, later on. And these were the introduction of our little champs, Muaz, Salar, Hashir, Ashar, and Abdurrahman. So today I will explain to you how would we learn the English lessons to improve ourselves in our communication skills and getting the grip on our fluency. So first of all, I can see a raised hand of Moaz. So Moaz, can you unmute yourself and let me know what do you want to say?
I learned the Japanese alphabet.
Okay,
They
that's
are
really great. So do you know the
are the-
Japanese alphabets? Can you tell me right now?
Yes, Maas.
They are the vowels. Each continent with it will be a letter of a Japanese alphabet.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Do you want to see that?
Sure, you can share in WhatsApp or you can DM me in inbox. I can see, I will see and I will definitely let you know about the feedback of your alphabets of Japanese. Okay, all right. Wow, you have written it yourself? Well done, well done. Keep it
It
up.
looks like Hindi because I have also learned that Japanese words are a little bit like Hindi.
Okay, so can you read them? Can you tell me how to read them? It's really great, Mars. Keep it up and carry on these kind of work.
करना आता मुझे रीड नहीं करना आता मुझे सिर्फ लिखना आता.
Okay, I can give you the hint. You can go to YouTube channel or you can ask to your mama that she can search the alphabet speaking channel of Japanese or something like that on social media. So you can get to know how to read these alphabets. Okay. So if you know how to write these alphabets, so you have to find out that how to speak in the like in terms of getting to know the proper accent of Japanese alphabets. Okay, so let's move on. I wanted to let you all know about our teaching method or learning method, that from today, as I told you, as all you know, that it's our first class of spoken English. So in our next classes, we will do role play, different role plays. I will give you the situation, and like Salar will be my mom and Hashir will be my son, and both of them will do the role play. Like Moaz will be the father and Ashar will be the father's friend, and both of them will do the role play. And I will show you the picture, and one by one, you guys will describe that picture in your own words. And you need to try hard in English. You need to try hard to speak in English, not try not to use the Urdu, as this is our English speaking class. So we need to emphasize, we need to pressurize ourselves that in a very simple way, we need to make small sentences in that way. Even if you would be, if you would make errors, I will, I will guide you and I will let you know. Don't get hesitate, be confident and speak up. Let's ask Salar, he wants to say something. Yes, Salar.
I wanted to say the same thing, even if we don't know anything and we don't know, we are not capable to speak English and we want to speak Urdu. So we don't have to speak in Urdu. Still, if our English is not so good, we have to still speak in English. And so that our, teacher, my mom can, correct everybody with the spellings as well as the meanings.
And also I will give daily basis routine lessons with dialogues to the mothers. So I would request to moms that they have to give the environment to the kids. Unless we will have the environment of for in terms of getting language, our kids will not get the proper grip on their fluency in language. So I would request to moms that whatever I would suggest you, whatever I will give you in terms of making lessons and dialogues and communicative sentences. So you have to practice at home with your kids. You have to paste them at the place where which would be the more exposed place in your house, and you can easily see them and learn them and remind yourself that we need to practice these sentences and these vocabulary words with your kids. So believe me, you and your kids will get the grip on your fluency, get to know how to speak in the proper manner on regular basis in daily routine. So I will give you on regular basis, I will share the different lessons with dialogues in WhatsApp group. So you can learn those words and phrases and you can do the practice with your kids. So right now I am giving you some instructions. So I would like you all guys to take out your notebooks and write down the things which I'm telling you, and you have to implement. Yes, you have to practice, you have to take out the particular time which in which you will do the practice regarding this language. Otherwise, if you will not do the practice at home, if you will not take out some time to practice it for speaking and listening, you will not get the grip of fluency in your speaking and communication. Okay, so I hope all of you have your notebooks in your hands with pens or pencils. All right, that's great. Yes, Salar, where is your notebook and pencil? You are also the student. You have to keep the notebook. Okay, so first of all, we need to remind ourselves that we need to do the hard work. So number one key point is hard work. Salar, can you write it for me in whiteboard?
Not in the chat. It would be much easier.
Whiteboard would be more feasible.
Okay. Can everybody see the whiteboard?
No. I can see.
Now can you see?
I can see, but
No, I can't.
time. Yes, now can
I can see.
Okay, so
I
we will wait. My mom is coming. Yes. So I am writing.
Yes, number one is
One minute.
number one key point is hard work.
Hard work is necessary.
Only hard work. Write down number one, hard work. I'm giving you the shortest keywords so you can remind yourself that for getting the proper fluency in language, you will have to remind yourself that you need a hard work, you need a consistency. Number two key point is consistency. Only write consistency. Don't make it. Okay. Third key point is focus.
1 minute.
So with these 3 key points, you need to remind yourself that you have to work hard. And after the class, sit with your mom and just think about it and scheduleize your schedule that from the whole day, how can you take out the time? Like for instance, you have to take out at least half an hour for your speaking practice, half an hour for your listening practice, and half an hour for your vocabulary memorization or something else. A part of that, all whole day you need to do the practice with the small sentences in your conversation with your mom. So believe me, you will get the grip on your fluency in English. And if moms are listening me, so kindly do the same thing which I am telling to the kids. You also would have to do the same things so you and your children can get the grip on the fluency in language. So these 3 key points, write them down in the sticky note and paste them your most exposed place at house. And whatever I will tell you gradually,
Yes.
in terms of learning the vocabulary, you will have to learn day by day. So this is it for now. From tomorrow, we will start our first lesson, and I will, the way I explained to you, like with the picture description, with object explanation, with different exercises, I will try my level best to make yourself to communicate each other and make the role plays. Okay, so so far this is it for now. If someone has any questions, so you can ask.
Anybody has questions?
One more thing, I will also share some links for making yourself comfortable in listening. Listening practice is most important tool with the speaking practice. Listening practice is very much important. So you need to understand that whatever your child is listening, he has to discuss with you. Okay, so and at the time of listening practice, you should have to sit with the notebook and write down the particular words and go Google them. So your vocabulary will enhance, and you will boost up your like you can say crowded words in your head. When you will have so many crowded words in your head, believe me, you can easily make sentences, because due to the short of the words, we can't able to speak. And when we would have a lot of words in our head, we can easily speak. So these kind of things are very important. Remind yourself, and if you think that you might have forgotten, so you should have to write in your notebook and remind yourself on regular basis. And gradually and simultaneously, step by step, I will guide you and I will let you know how to do it. Thank you so much. If there would be any question, raise your hand and let me know. Otherwise, we would wrap up the class.
Is there any question?
No, no question.
Great. So then let's wrap up the class. Let me share this with you guys, and you can write this. Okay, 1 minute. I have sent it actually in the chat, so you can copy it and then write.
I will share one more thing. I will share one lesson today, including some dialogues. So you guys can have to learn them and practice them at home. And I will share some video links for speaking and listening practice. After listening one clip for twice or thrice time, you can sit and you can discuss with your mom that what was happening in that video clip. So you can able to recognize the words and their meanings. Thank you so much. I hope you all guys get to know all the understanding that how would we will start learning from tomorrow's class, inshallah ta'ala. So best of luck. Take care of yourself. Jazakallah khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Laugh is
Allah Hafiz.
laugh is.